coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories are changing the way we ride, and most cyclists haven't seen these yet. In today's video, we're diving into 30 of the coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories on Amazon that can upgrade your bike instantly. From smart safety gear to clever tools and fun add-ons, these picks are designed to make every ride smoother, safer, and way more exciting. Whether you're commuting or exploring, there's something here for you. Stay with us till the end. The last gadget is absolutely mind-blowing. Number 1. Garmin camera and tail light. Riding in traffic without knowing what's happening behind you can feel risky and stressful. The Garmin camera and tail light solves that by combining a bright rear light with a built-in camera that records everything behind you. It captures clear footage while boosting your visibility on the road. If something happens, you've got proof. It's smart, reliable, and incredibly powerful. This gadget adds safety and confidence, turning every ride into a protected, worry-free experience. Number 2. Garmin Compact GPS Cycling Computer. Riding without tracking your progress can make every trip feel less exciting. The Garmin Compact GPS Cycling Computer changes that with real-time data on speed, distance, and routes. It's small, easy to mount, and super clear to read while riding. You stay informed and motivated every mile. Whether you're training or exploring, it turns your ride into a measurable, goal-driven experience. This gadget helps you ride smarter and push further every time. Number 3. Unit 1 FARO Smart Bike Helmet. Basic helmets protect your head, but they don't always keep you visible or connected. The Unit 1 FARO Smart Bike Helmet upgrades your safety with built-in lights, smart alerts, and a sleek modern design. It enhances visibility from every angle, especially in low light. Comfortable and stylish, it blends protection with technology. This gadget doesn't just keep you safe, it keeps you seen, turning every ride into a smarter, more secure journey. Number 4. Seatylock Viking Bike Chain Lock. Leaving your bike in public can feel like a constant risk. The Seatylock Viking Bike Chain Lock brings heavy-duty protection with a tough, durable design that resists cutting and tampering. It's strong enough to handle serious threats while still being flexible to use anywhere. Locking up becomes quick and reliable. This gadget gives you peace of mind, letting you step away from your bike without second-guessing its safety. Number 5. TRAILXPERT Bike Rack Hitch Mount. Transporting your bike can be awkward, especially when space is limited. The TRAILXPERT Bike Rack Hitch Mount makes it easy by securely holding your bike on your vehicle without hassle. It's sturdy, simple to install, and designed for stability on the road. No more struggling to fit your bike inside your car. This gadget makes travel smooth and convenient, letting you take your ride anywhere without stress. Number 6. Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock. Bulky locks can be annoying to carry and hard to manage on the go. The Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock solves that with a smart folding design that's both strong and compact. It mounts easily on your bike and unfolds into a solid security system in seconds. Lightweight yet tough, it's perfect for everyday use. This gadget keeps your bike safe without adding extra hassle to your ride. Number 7. UPPEL Bluetooth Speaker Bicycle. Long rides can feel quiet and repetitive without something to keep you energized. The UPPEL Bluetooth Speaker Bicycle brings your favorite music right into your ride with clear, powerful sound. It mounts easily and connects instantly to your phone. Whether it's music, podcasts, or calls, everything becomes part of your journey. This gadget adds fun and energy, turning every ride into an exciting, immersive experience. Number 8. Sportneer Bike Trainer. Bad weather or busy schedules can keep you off the road and break your routine. The Sportneer Bike Trainer brings cycling indoors with smooth resistance that mimics real riding conditions. It's stable, easy to set up, and perfect for consistent training at home. You stay active no matter what's happening outside. This gadget keeps your progress on track, helping you stay fit and ready for your next outdoor ride. Number 9. REDSHIFT Flat Bicycle Pedals. Slipping off your pedals at the wrong moment can ruin your control and confidence. The REDSHIFT Flat Bicycle Pedals fix that with a wide, grippy surface designed for maximum stability. Built tough and comfortable, they keep your feet secure through every ride. You get better power transfer and smoother control instantly. This gadget upgrades your connection to the bike, making every ride feel stronger, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 10. ASIEVIE bike helmet with Bluetooth. Taking calls or listening to music while riding can be tricky and unsafe. The ASIEVIE bike helmet with Bluetooth combines safety with smart audio features, letting you stay connected hands-free. It's comfortable, lightweight, and designed for clear sound without blocking awareness. You ride safer while enjoying music or communication on the go. This gadget blends protection and technology, making every ride smarter, more convenient, and way more fun. Number 11. TOPUMP Tiny Pump. Getting stuck with a flat tire miles from home can ruin your entire ride. The TOPUMP Tiny Pump solves that instantly with a compact design that fits in your pocket but delivers serious power. It inflates your tire quickly without taking up space or adding weight. Easy to carry, easy to use, and always ready when you need it. This gadget keeps your ride moving, turning unexpected flats into quick fixes instead of long, frustrating walks. Number 12. Thule Children's RideAlong Bike Seat. Riding with your child can feel risky without the right setup. The Thule Children's RideAlong Bike Seat makes it safe, secure, and incredibly comfortable for your little passenger. It features sturdy support, smooth suspension, and easy mounting for peace of mind. Your child rides safely while enjoying the journey. This gadget transforms family time into shared adventures, letting you explore together without worry. Number 13. Calm Cycling Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. A puncture on a tubeless tire can leave you stranded if you're not prepared. The Calm Cycling Tubeless Tire Repair Kit gives you a fast, reliable solution right on the spot. It's compact, easy to use, and designed to seal punctures in seconds. No complicated steps or stress. This gadget keeps your ride uninterrupted, giving you the confidence to go farther without worrying about sudden tire issues. Number 14. Wemfg Kids Protective Gear Set. Letting kids ride without proper protection can feel nerve-wracking. The Wemfg Kids Protective Gear Set keeps them safe with padded guards for knees, elbows, and wrists. It's lightweight, comfortable, and designed to absorb impact during falls. Kids can ride freely while you stay worry-free. This gadget adds an extra layer of safety, making every ride more secure and enjoyable for young cyclists. Number 15. PARKVISION Bicycle Rear View Camera. Not knowing what's behind you can make every ride feel uncertain. The PARKVISION Bicycle Rear View Camera gives you a live, clear view of traffic from behind, displayed right in front of you. It's easy to install and delivers real-time awareness without distractions. You stay focused on the road ahead while seeing everything behind. This gadget upgrades your safety, making every ride more controlled and confident. Number 16. RAVEMEN Bike Light Set. Riding in low light without proper visibility can be dangerous and limiting. The RAVEMEN Bike Light Set lights up your path and makes you visible from all angles. With powerful brightness and multiple modes, it adapts to any riding condition. It's reliable, long-lasting, and easy to mount. This gadget turns night riding into a safe and confident experience, letting you ride whenever you want. Number 17. Ultrawall Stainless Steel Bike Storage Rack. Leaving your bike leaning against walls or cluttering your space can be frustrating. The Ultrawall Stainless Steel Bike Storage Rack solves that by giving your bike a strong, secure place on the wall. It's durable, space-saving, and easy to install. Your bike stays organized and protected. This gadget transforms your storage setup, making your space cleaner and your bike easier to access. Number 18. Lumiere & Co. Falcon Magnetic Saddlebag. Digging through bags while riding can be annoying and slow you down. The Lumiere & Co. Falcon Magnetic Saddlebag fixes that with a smart magnetic closure that gives you quick, effortless access. It's sleek, compact, and securely attaches under your seat. Your essentials stay safe, yet easy to reach. This gadget adds both style and convenience, making your ride smoother and more efficient. Number 19. ROCKBROS Bicycle Front Frame Bag. Carrying essentials without a proper setup can feel uncomfortable and unbalanced. The ROCKBROS Bicycle Front Frame Bag gives you a practical storage solution right on your bike frame. It's spacious, durable, and easy to access while riding. No more overstuffed pockets or bulky backpacks. This gadget keeps your ride clean and organized, letting you focus on the road ahead. Number 20. Rehook chain back. A dropped chain can stop your ride instantly and leave your hands covered in grease. The Rehook chain back solves that in seconds without any mess. Just attach it, spin your pedals, and your chain snaps back into place. It's lightweight, simple, and incredibly effective. This gadget turns a frustrating breakdown into a quick fix, keeping your ride smooth and stress-free. Number 21. Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame Light. Riding at night can feel dull and unsafe when you're barely visible. The Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame Light fixes that with vibrant, glowing colors that wrap your entire bike in light. It's easy to install and instantly boosts visibility from every angle. Not only do you stand out, you look incredible doing it. This gadget adds safety and style, turning every night ride into a bright, attention-grabbing experience you'll actually look forward to. Number 22. DRCKHROS Bike Mirror Rotatable. Constantly turning your head to check traffic behind you can throw off your balance and focus. The DRCKHROS Bike Mirror Rotatable gives you a clear rear view with full adjustability for the perfect angle. It stays stable even on rough roads, so you always know what's coming. No more guesswork or risky glances. This gadget makes your ride safer and smoother, helping you stay aware without losing control. Number 23. Hayvenhurst Bike Multitool. Small mechanical issues can quickly turn into big problems if you don't have the right tools. The Hayvenhurst Bike Multitool packs essential tools into one compact, easy-to-carry design. From tightening bolts to quick adjustments, it handles it all on the go. It's lightweight, reliable, and always ready when you need it. This gadget keeps you prepared, turning unexpected problems into quick fixes so your ride never gets cut short. Number 24. RAVEMEN Bike Tracker Compatible. Leaving your bike parked can come with constant worry about theft. The RAVEMEN Bike Tracker Compatible solution lets you discreetly track your bike using a hidden mount for your tracker device. It keeps your tracker secure and out of sight, adding a smart layer of protection. If your bike moves, you'll know exactly where it is. This gadget brings peace of mind, making every stop feel safer and stress-free. Number 25. Moroch Cycling Gloves. Long rides can leave your hands sore, sweaty, and uncomfortable. The Moroch Cycling Gloves solve that with breathable fabric and cushioned padding that reduces pressure and vibration. They improve grip and keep your hands cool even during intense rides. Every hold feels secure and comfortable. This gadget enhances control and comfort, letting you ride longer without discomfort slowing you down. Number 26. RideAlong Bike Handlebar Bag. Struggling to carry your essentials without a bulky backpack can ruin your ride's flow. The RideAlong Bike Handlebar Bag gives you easy access storage right in front of you. It's spacious, durable, and keeps everything organized while you ride. Your phone, wallet, and gear stay secure and within reach. This gadget makes your ride more practical and efficient, letting you focus on the journey instead of your storage. Number 27. Mark Beach Cruiser Bike Bell. Trying to alert pedestrians with a weak or dull bell can be frustrating and ineffective. The Mark Beach Cruiser Bike Bell delivers a crisp, loud ring that gets attention instantly. It's stylish, easy to install, and adds a classic touch to your bike. You can signal clearly without shouting or slowing down. This gadget boosts your safety and communication, making every ride smoother and more enjoyable. Number 28. Urban Deco Bike Repair Stand. Fixing your bike while it's on the ground can be awkward and time-consuming. The Urban Deco Bike Repair Stand lifts your bike to a comfortable working height, making maintenance easy and efficient. It's sturdy, adjustable, and perfect for cleaning, tuning, or upgrading your ride. No more struggling or bending over. This gadget turns your space into a mini workshop, saving time and effort with every repair. Number 29. Top Crown Bright Cover. Leaving your bike exposed to rain, dust, and sun can wear it down over time. The Top Crown Bike Cover protects your bike with a durable, weather-resistant layer that shields it from the elements. It's easy to use and fits securely, keeping your bike clean and safe. No more worrying about damage or constant cleaning. This gadget helps your bike stay in great condition, ready for every ride. Number 30. ROCKBROS Bike Toolkit. Unexpected issues on the road can stop your ride if you're not prepared. The ROCKBROS Bike Toolkit gives you a complete set of essential tools in one compact package. It's easy to carry and designed for quick fixes anywhere. From minor adjustments to emergency repairs, it has you covered. This gadget gives you confidence and independence, keeping your ride smooth no matter what happens. Thanks for watching 30 coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories on Amazon. Found your next upgrade? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome cycling gear. Check the links below and keep your rides smarter, safer, and more fun.